Napansin mo ba na almost 2 years na ang Facebook naging obituary? Ayon sa ourworldindata.com, mahigit kumulang sa 150,000 ang nangamamatay na tao araw-araw sa buong mundo. That's 2017 data. Ang cardiovascular diseases ang pangunahing killer disease at mahigit 48,000 ang pinapatay araw-araw. Sumunod ay cancer na may 26,000. Respiratory diseases ang ikatlo na may 10,000 daily deaths at lower respiratory diseases or CDs, communicable disease, na mayroong 7,000. Mamaya ay ikukumpara natin ang bilang ng namamatay araw-araw dahil sa COVID. Welcome ka sa aking masterclass at sasagutin natin ang tanong na paano labanan ng killer diseases sa murang paraan. Ako nga pala si Inventor Richmond Santillana, may PhD sa Alternative Medicine, isang DIY wellness mentor, natural healthcare lecturer, practitioner, researcher, at wellness innovator at inventor. Saglit lang to explain this last slide. Ako ay isang inventor. As an inventor, I have patents. I won first prize in the prestigious 2019 National Inventors Week contest held at DOST head office in Taguig, as well as regional invention contest of DOST TAPI. I am one of the very few recipients of the most coveted certification of the Multi-Government Agency Screening Committee of Republic Act 7459. This is the Inventor's Invention Incentive Act of the Philippines. Pag inventor ka sa Pilipinas, pinakapangarap mo ito, and I got it. Wala pa sa mga daliri ng iyong mga kamay ang nakatanggap nito. Bakit ko sinasabi ito? Gusto kong sabihin ay simple lang. Gusto kong ma-assure kayo na ako ay may kakayahan tumulong sa inyo for do-it-yourself wellness. Noong 2019, 55.4 million ang nangamatay due to top 10 killer diseases. 41 million ang nangamatay sanhi ng non-communicable diseases at 71% ng global deaths. Lahat-lahat ito. 77% ng lahat ng nangamatay ay mula sa low at middle income countries katulad ng Philippines. Mayroong 15 million ang binabawian ng buhay taon-taon sa edad na 30 hanggang 69 years old. Base sa data from the WHO and ourworldindata.com, ganito karami araw-araw ang namamatay sa top 10 killer diseases. Pansinin mo na ang COVID-19 ay halos kasindami ng daily deaths ng 4th killer diseases na lower respiratory infection noong kanyang peak period. Sobra sa aking mga daliri ang bilang ng mga kamag-anak, kaibigan, kapitbahay, churchmates, katrabaho, kakilala, kaklase, kabarkada, ang victims ng killer COVID. Either they died due to COVID or non-communicable diseases triggered by COVID or nawalan ng kabuhayan. Now, I promise you, if you stay until the end of my webinar, I'm going to give you tons of value to make you and your family healthy the natural way and learn how to fight the killer diseases. Gusto mo ba yon? Natuto ka na, magiging healthy ka pa at ang buong pamilya. May gift ka pa pag natapos mo ang webinar. Gusto mo ba yon? Para sa iyo, ang masterclass na ito, kung ikaw ay believer na mayroong natural at alternatibong paraan para maging healthy. Kung ikaw ay believe sa Philippine herbal plants and natural remedies, kung gusto mong makatipid ng 90% sa healthy lifestyle, at limited ang budget mo para sa healthy lifestyle, para sa buong pamilya, para sa iyo ang webinar na ito. Kung gusto mong tumulong sa iba, gusto mong mag-healthy lifestyle sa murang paraan, gusto mong matuto ng do-it-yourself wellness, para sa iyo ang masterclass na ito. Kung gusto mong labanan ang killer diseases sa natural way, naghahanap ka ng pantulong sa iniindang karamdaman at kasalukuyang mga gamot, at kaya mong kontrolin ang iyong sarili, lahat ng ito ay tutugma para sa iyo ang masterclass na ito. Subalit, kung ikaw naman ay nega sa natural and alternative remedies ng Pilipinas, kung can afford ka naman ng expensive healthy lifestyle, at kung sarado na ang isip sa iba pang paraan na maging healthy, merong kang kinikilingan, merong kang pinoprotektahan, hindi ito para sa iyo. Kung ayaw mo ng lifestyle change, kung ayaw mong nagsishare sa iba ng natututunan mo, kung fix na ang mind mo na kailangang mahal at laging binibili ang paraan para maging healthy or mag-healthy lifestyle, hindi ito para sa iyo. Kung ayaw mong matuto ng do-it-yourself wellness, kung naghahanap ka ng miracle, instant at magic cure-all, hindi ito para sa iyo. At hindi ka naniniwala na Diyos ang nagpahiram ng buhay at katawan mo at ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay, I'm sorry, hindi ang masterclass na ito tutugma para sa iyo. When you stay until the end, may gift ako sa iyo. Ibibigay ko sa iyo ng free ang infographic of leading plant-based home remedies of the Philippines for a healthy lifestyle. Promise ito. Pero, para lalo kang makinabang, may pakiusap sana ako sa iyo. Please, free yourself with all possible distraction. Dahil ito ay magkakarugtong, dapat ay tuloy-tuloy ang pakinig mo. Mahihirapan kang balikan ang isang topic pag na-distract ka. So remove all that can disturb, and every detail can save your life and your loved ones, of course. Kaya please, focus ka muna dito sa ating pag-uusapan. I assure you na with the infos that I will reveal to you, you and your family will be able to level up yung awareness and strategies nyo para lalong maging happy, healthy, and well-off ang buhay despite threats of killer diseases. And that's the title of our masterclass. Live happy, healthy, and well-off in a COVID world through do-it-yourself wellness. At para madali mong matutunan, ginawa kong acronym ang Start Now. Isa-isahin natin. Letter S is Safety and Sunshine. Letter T is Technology and Tools. A is Activity and Air. R is Rest and Recreation. T is Temperance, Moderation or Avoidance sa Tagalog ay pagtitimpi. N is Natural Nourishment. O is Optimism and Opportunity, and Water and Worship for W's. Are you excited? Let's go and dive into our topic. Lahat tayo gustong makaiwas sa magastos na killer diseases, right? Kahit you have the money, don't say you're young and energetic and you're fit. Kasi yung fit at saka healthy, magkaiba yon. Sa aking karanasan, over ilang decades, nakita ko ang difference. Merong mga fit, pero hindi healthy. Pero meron namang hindi mo sasabihing healthy, pero mukha silang hindi fit, pero healthy sila. So magkaiba ito. Walang pinipili ang killer diseases. This masterclass is for you and your loved ones. Para kay nanay, kay tatay, kay kuya, kay ate, kay tita, kay tito, kay lolo, kay lola. Para sa iyo. Dahil kahit isa lang ang magkasakit sa family, nalulumpo ang kabuhayan and happiness of the family. Siyempre, di ba? Kung gusto mong makaiwas sa killer diseases, provide us with your email at get in touch with Mabuhay Wellness so you can receive our notification sa iba pang mga masterclass and webinars and mga free DIY wellness giveaways. Trust me, we don't share information of our attendees to anyone. Gusto mo ba yon? So, sino ba naman ang hindi matatakot ma-hospital or magkasakit? I heard about families na may hospital bills na more than 1 million to 3 million, mahigit pa. Ito'y binayaran, much worse, nagbayad na ng ganong kalaki and yet lost their loved ones. Di lang isa, dalawa, tatlo. Talagang parang delubyo ng Yolanda. I know you heard of this kind of tragic experiences. May kilala kami, too young to die, or at the peak of their career. 32 years old, very promising lawyer. Nothing is certain, alam mo, these days. Kaya nga, we are here to learn simple ways to avoid these killer diseases that threatens our lives and our loved ones. Sabi nga ni Benjamin Franklin, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Do you follow? So katulad nyo rin po ako, and nobody among us was ready for a close encounter with COVID. Ganun din naman sa ibang mga killer diseases. Kaya marami ang casualties. If we are armed with knowledge and know-how, for sure we can deal with the threat intelligently. Comment ka kung agree ka with me sa ganito. So, what you will discover in the masterclass? So, discovery number 1, you can live happy, healthy, and well off when you follow the natural design of your body, when you follow the law that govern nature. Sinunod mo ang itinakdang paraan ng kalikasan para sa iyong katawan. You live long, happy and healthy and prosperous. Bonanza ito, you get all. Remember, the solution to a health problem is in the prevention, not in the cure. It's wellness and healthy lifestyle. So discovery number 2, maraming paraan na maging healthy na hindi magastos. Pasok sa budget and I will teach you that. Okay ka ba dyan? Discovery number 3, may DIY wellness na home-based. Do it anytime, as you like, or want. And discovery number 4, there is a way to be healthy that is simple, easy, and you can apply it daily. Discovery number 5, the DIY wellness program can be monetized. May income or profit generating ito. Healthy ka na, kumikita ka pa, makakatulong ka pa sa iba. Gusto mo ba yon? Type mo sa comment, income, para alam ko kung sinong padadalhan ng mga infos regarding livelihood opportunities. So, para mag-benefit ka dito to the roof, to the max, to make this work, kailangan mayroon kang strong commitment to start and stay in the program. Meron kang genuine desire to learn, to study, to experiment, and to implement. Gusto mong mag-share? Para bang contagious storytelling, no? Pag ginagawa mo yon, nagkakaroon ng strong self-affirmation. Ito yung the power of the spoken word. Kung lagi mo itong kinikwento, magkakatotoo. The word became flesh, magkakaroon ng physical form. And that will happen to you. This is to thank you. I know your time is valuable. Thank you for your presence. I'll do everything to make this training worth your time. Through my webinar, I promise to fulfill this code. Knowledge is power, information is liberating, education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. This is from Kofi Annan, former UN Secretary. Through knowledge, we can neutralize and defeat the enemy, the killer diseases. And by doing so, kasama na yung accompanying threat. Ignorance of healthy lifestyle can enslave you. The truth will all set us free. So let's dive into our main topic. What is Start Now Do-It-Yourself Wellness Program? DIY Wellness Start Now program is the most practical, economical, and sustainable way to empower people to fight the killer diseases, the natural way. Why Do-It-Yourself Wellness Program? Because you design your own health. Because health is a choice and we don't get it by chance. What a man soweth, so shall he reap. With Do-It-Yourself Wellness, you make things your way. Most important is to learn the principles. Ikaw ang gagawa ng paraan ayon sa sitwasyon at kalagayan mo. Another thing, bakit kailangan o bakit maganda ang Do-It-Yourself Wellness? If you want a healthy lifestyle, dapat ito ay practical. Madali lang, di kailangan ng mataas na pinag-aralan. Affordable, may kaunting investment, time, money, commitment, para mababawi mo in shortest time possible. Sustainable, dahil di magastos at simple, pwedeng lifetime mo masusunod ang program. At home-based, accessible, available anytime within your arm's stretch. And shareable, you can transfer your knowledge and skills and techniques to anybody. So let's dive sa unang letter, letter S. Okay, sabihin ko lang po muna ito. Overview lang ang lahat ng ating pag-uusapan ngayon. But if you think this is relevant to you, watch the complete masterclass for each single topic. We will notify you pag accessible na. Don't forget to give us your email. We will include or flash the link anywhere sa webinar. So focus ka muna dito. Again, lahat ay primer lang muna. So, letter S is safety. So fight COVID by following the safety protocol. Lahat ng protocols na ito ay makakatulong, and of course, please manage your stress. Lagi na nating naririnig yung health protocol. Papyaw na lang ang aaralin natin. But less are talking about stress. Stress due to COVID-19, alam nyo, kill more than we know. Bumabagsak ang maraming normal body function pag stress tayo, such as the immune system that fights infection. When we isolate, solo, nag-iisa sa hospital room si lolo, si lola, si mami, si daddy, si kuya, si ate, just imagine what happens to the ability of the body to fight infection. Because labis ang takot, pangamba, dahil nag-iisa, stress kasi. And, of course, ang stress due to COVID, totoo namang ding contributor, kaya ang COVID ay talagang nakakamatay. If you want to know more, don't forget to give us your email. We will notify you pag na-upload na ang complete presentation for this. Kung di ka naniniwala sa vaccine, pero may family ka, nakikipag-usap ka sa ibang tao, lumalabas ka ng bahay, at di mo kayang manatili sa bahay till kingdom come, mag-isip kang mabuti. And then decide. You have a choice whether to be vaccinated or not. So, we go to letter S pa rin, so sunshine. Alam mo ba na yung thermal therapy has been in existence for thousands of years, no? Dating back to ancient civilizations such as mga Romans, mga ancient Chinese, the American Indians, and the Egyptians 5,000 years ago. Since ancient times, yung mga tao have known yung exposure to sunshine can maintain and enhance health. Yung sun therapy is a form of natural, far and near thermal therapy. Explain natin in details yan mamaya. Lagi na nating naririnig yung health and the life-giving properties of sunlight. Vitamin D, vitamin D3, and UV. Pero seldom we hear yung healing power, healing property ng infrared frequency. Yung far infrared and near infrared. So yun yung gusto kong ma-emphasize dito, at ito yung magiging major content ng explanation ko sa kabuuan ng ating masterclass para dito sa topic na ito. Now, ganito po yun. There are light frequencies that are visible and invisible. Yung UV, ultraviolet, and infrared light from the sun ay invisible light, no? Yung frequency niya ay invisible light. Parang ganito po, imagine niyo, some insect like yung bumblebee can see this light. Pero to human, di natin nakikita ito, invisible sa atin yung light frequency na ito. Parang ganito, yung dogs natin na nakaririnig ng ingay below the human hearing range. Ganon din po ito. Itong far infrared at near infrared, invisible light. And kayo, kung ang gagawin mo ganito, yung back and front body mo ay expose mo. Early morning sunlight, 7 o'clock to 7:30 a.m. This will triggers the natural healing mechanism ng iyong katawan. Yung invisible light kasi, most especially the near infrared, it penetrates the skin about 2.3 inches ang lalim, no, sa body natin, no. So 2.3 inches malalim yung nape-penetrate ng infrared thermal therapy, no. And then it enhances the immune response, yung circulatory, muscular, respiratory system, nakakatulong sa nervous system natin, and many more. It triggers natural anti-inflammatory and antibiotic function. At saka, ito rin ay dinisenyo, of course, natural law, natural design para sa katawan natin. Yung backaches, respiratory issues, muscle soreness, sleep problem, no? Yung low immunity against bacterial and viral infection, and recurring allergy and hypersensitivity to allergen, and many more. Baka makatulong ito, no? Sa iyo. Ang galing ng Diyos, di ba? Now, kung gusto mo ng ganitong content in details, watch the masterclass for this particular topic. So let me know if you are interested. Give us your email ad and we will notify you kung pwede nang ma-access. Now, another thing na gusto kong i-emphasize, no, tungkol dito sa sunlight is because itong sunlight is a miracle cure. Ang ibig sabihin, marami siyang pwedeng health benefits, no, na hindi madalas na pinag-uusapan. Pero dahil nga ang topic natin ay mga simpleng paraan para makatulong labanan ng killer diseases, ito yung mga ilang pakinabang ng sunlight. No? Number one, it kills bacteria. It protects against pneumonia. Ibibilad nyo yung likod ninyo. And of course, makatutulong din siya to fight, no, tuberculosis. Ang tuberculosis is one of the infectious diseases na pinakamaraming napapatay, no, sa buong mundo. Actually, nasa top 1, 2, 3 ganon, no. Ang tuberculosis ay delikado. And nakakatulong yung sunlight, pagbibilad ng likod natin, para labanan ito. Okay? Kasama nung mga ginagawa natin na hinatol sa atin, in-advise sa atin nung ating mga experts, no, na mga healthcare professionals. Another is it can add years to your life because overall natutulungan niya yung buong mga sistema ng katawan. And it synchronizes the hormones and nagpapaganda rin siya ng ating mga balat. Nakakatulong siya labanan yung ilang mga cancers and multiple sclerosis. Sunlight nakakatulong magpigil, no, doon sa hilig natin, na biglaang hilig natin ng maraming pagkain. Yung sunlight ay pwedeng makatulong dyan, no? And yung depression, pwedeng labanan ng sunlight. Nakakatulong sa atin yan, no? Kung nakakaranas tayo ng depression. At sa mga matatanda, lumalambot ang mga buto, ay baka makatulong ito sa inyo. Siyempre, nagkakaroon ng hip fracture pag malambot ang buto, lalo pa may edad na. So, baka makatulong ito. In fact, this can prevent osteoporosis, yung sunlight. Now, another is it increases yung agility, yung tikas ng paggalaw natin. And of course, yung mga muscles natin, natutulungan siya na mas malakas. No? It prevents chronic kidney failure. Ibilad nyo yung inyong likod sa tuwing umaga. 7 o'clock to 7:30 hanggang 8. Okay yan. Kaya nating tiisin yung init. Pero malaki ang matutulong sa atin, lalo pa sa ganitong mga problema. Now, it builds the immune system. Pinalalakas ang ating immune system. Okay? Now, let's go to letter T. What you'll discover sa ating pag-aaralan sa masterclass na ito ay maraming latest technological gadget ang ibinebenta ngayon to protect your health. Mga simple technologies for healthy lifestyle na pwede mong gawin sa iyong bahay. Halimbawa, yung far infrared, yung near infrared, ito ay parehong sauna. Yung colloidal silver, yung ozonator, yung ionizer, yung herbal capsule supplement, pwede mong gawin lahat ito. Gusto niyo ba yung ganitong mga idea? Gusto niyo bang matuto gumawa ng sarili niyong mga technology na katulad nito? Remember, yung infrared from sunshine, so ito ay do-it-yourself wellness idea. Make your own infrared sauna. Halimbawa, to make a homemade infrared sauna, ang kailangan mo ay infrared light, a room, or a small improvised 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter na compartment, a stool, or a chair without a backrest. Kung gusto mo ng ganitong information, give us your email ad. Get in touch with Mabuhay Wellness. May link po kami na ipa-flash mamaya. Healthy lifestyle need not be expensive. Remember, di ba? I'm a multi-awarded inventor. NutraCapsule can make 350 to 450 herbal capsules an hour. Make anytime, anywhere, as you like. Tumbler size lang siya. And gusto mo ba yung 17 to 20 pesos herbal capsule supplements na binibili mo? Magiging 1 peso and 60 centavos lang. Okay lang ba mamaya explain ko in details yung last 10 minutes kung okay sa inyo, actual video demo para makagawa kayo ng murang herbal capsule supplements for you and for your loved ones. Huwag niyo munang iwan ang masterclass dahil napakarami niyong pakikinabangan sa aking lecture. Ipa-flash ko rin yung link. Do you know that your cells are living batteries that are charged every time you do your physical activities or exercises? Do you know that your muscles are piezoelectric? Yung crystals are piezoelectric. Ang ibig sabihin nito, may electrical charge ang bawat crystals at ito ay nare-release pag na-stress or na-disturb ang crystals. Naranasan nyo na yung static electricity of the body? Yung dalawang siko mo at siko ng isang individual nagkadikit at merong tumutunog na parang kuryente. Ito yung static electricity na pinuproduce ng ating katawan. Merong isang Nobel Prize awardee in physics na si Dr. Richard Feynman. Ang sabi niya, yung accumulated voltage charge ng ating katawan ay pwedeng umabot sa 23,000 30,000 volts. So of course, this is another way of understanding the human physiology. Ang tawag dito ay bioelectric property of the body. Itong mga books na ito ay baka makatulong sa iyo. Itong aklat na ang title ay Healing is Voltage. Ang author nito ay si Dr. Jerry Tennant, isang accomplished medical doctor. He treats various serious diseases through electric voltage na katulad ng Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. Napakagaling na invention. Si Dr. Robert Becker naman ang sumulat ng aklat na The Body Electrics. Sa kanyang research, ang orthosurgeon na ito ay kayang magpatubo at magpalaki ng mga limbs and body parts sa experimental animal. And he wrote several books about his research. The Body Electric, highly respected sa kanyang field of studies. Si Dr. Bjorn Nordenstrom, the author of this book, na ang title ay Biological Closed Electric Circuit, ay isang respected medical doctor. Siya ay dating chairman of Nobel Prize Committee. Siya ay isang inventor at he cured cancer through his electric needles. Kinukuryente ang cancer tumors. Up to this time, nobody can equalize with this research work. Bakit hindi ginagamit? Kasi ban siya sa Amerika and some European countries. But the Chinese is using this great invention. And lastly, si Dr. James Oschman. These scientists explains how bioelectrics of your body can heal everything. In fact, marami akong mga lectures explaining the healing based on bioelectrics na natutunan ko sa kanya. Halimbawa, ang cells para mag-rebuild and recover nangangailangan ng minus 15 millivolts sa kanyang internal environment. Normally kasi, minus 20 to minus 25 millivolts ang environment ng cells. Hindi ito bagong informations. Ang mga TCM o Traditional Chinese Medicine and Ayurvedic practitioners ay 5,000 years na alam ito. Letter A pa rin tayo. Air. Ionized air is what the body needs to stay healthy and live long. Sa forest, mga trees, bodies of water like falls, ocean, create this type of ionized air. Concentrated ito ng negative ion sa mga different environments na katulad nito. Halimbawa, pag sinabing ionized, ang ibig sabihin negatively charged ang air sa environment na iba't iba, no? Ganito ang concentration per cubic centimeter ng negatively charged ionized air. Sa waterfalls, 95,000 hanggang 450,000. Sa mountains, seashores, breezy forest ay 50,000 hanggang 100,000 ang concentrated negative charge per cubic centimeter. Sa breezy country meadow, mayroong 5,000 to 50,000 per cubic centimeter. Sa cities, 100 to 2,000. That's why maraming nagkakasakit. Sa room and offices, about 40 to 100. And rooms with air condition, 0 hanggang 20. Kaya marami talagang pwedeng maging cause ng killer diseases. Cancer, pneumonia, cardiovascular diseases, or diabetes. Gusto mo bang malaman kung ano ang healing properties ng ionized air laban sa iba't ibang killer diseases? Act now. Give us your email and we will notify you about this webinar. Ang recreation, malawak na topic, kaya heto muna ang primer. Pumili tayo ng isang topic na pwedeng maibigay ko sa inyo ang knowledge, ang information sa maiksing panahon. When you are grounded or earth, you get free electrons from the earth. The earth is the biggest source of antioxidant, which are negatively charged electron. Earlier, we talked about negative ion in the air, di ba? Ionized air. Earthing supplies the antioxidant. These are anti-inflammatory your body needs to stay healthy. Na-observe mo ba yung mga animals like dogs, cats, at marami pa? Pag masama ang pakiramdam, they want to stay earth. Hindi lang posible yan pag yung paligid ay asphalted. Bakit sa simpleng paglubog ng iyong katawan sa beach sand for few hours, gumaganda ang pakiramdam? And doing it regularly help recover and rebuild health. Ano nga ba ang earthing? What you get from earthing? Subukan mo ito. When you're exercising at ang exercise mo ay strenuous physical activity, madalas na pagkatapos mo mag-exercise, magkakaroon ka ng delayed onset muscle soreness. Masakit ang katawan mo pagkatapos. Ilang minuto pagkatapos ng strenuous exercise. Ito'y matutulungan pag ikaw ay nakayapak or barefooted. Sa exercise, malaki ang bagay na ito. Nakakatulong para labanan ang inflammation na nagiging cause ng pain, ng muscle soreness. Non-ionizing radiation, ang electromagnetic radiation from Wi-Fi, cell site, GPS, appliances, gadgets, at marami pang iba, produces non-ionizing radiation. Maging yung long computer hours. At nagiging cause ito ng pagtaas ng cortisol level. Ang cortisol level ay isang stress hormone. At pag mataas ang stress hormone, ang kadalasang epekto nito, mahirap kang matulog. The detailed masterclass will present the countless scientific studies about these God-given healing remedies. Gusto mong malaman paano gagawin? And iba't ibang healing benefits ng earthing para pakinabangan mo agad and to the full? Get in touch with Mabuhay DIY Wellness. Your email and how we can contact you. Find the link in this webinar. Huwag kang aalis ng webinar till the end. Para sa rest pag-usapan muna natin ang pagtulog. Melatonin is a hormone that your brain produces in response to darkness. It helps with the timing of your circadian rhythms. Yung 24-hour day cycle mo, yung day and night internal clock ng iyong katawan. Being exposed to light, kunyari, blue light sa mga gadgets natin at night can block melatonin production. Melatonin is a super antioxidant and is powerful than glutathione, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Napakarami ng mga studies about melatonin, more than any other sleeping pills. But I have a question. How long do you have to sleep kung meron kang sakit? Ilang oras na tulog ang kailangan ng iyong katawan? What if you have a healthy lifestyle and healthy body? How long do you have to sleep? My next question is, are people physically and mentally inactive during sleeps? Scientists used to think that people were physically and mentally inactive habang tulog. But now, they know that's not the case all night long. Your body and brain do quite a bit of work that's key for your health. Kailangan gawin ng katawan mo ito. There are two main types of sleep cycle, in and out when we are sleeping. Yung tinatawag na rapid eye movement and non-rapid eye movement. Narinig mo na ito. Pero sa ating masterclass, hihimayin natin ang details tungkol dito para lalo mong pakinabangan. The content would be more on sleep debts o utang mo sa tulog and many other infos that seldom you hear. Katulad ng ano ang mga nangyayari sa katawan na nagpapaantok at nagpapabuti ng kalidad ng tulog. Anong mga pwedeng activities at herbal plants na nagpapabuti ng tulog. Let us know if you're interested to have the infos, email us or comment. Temperance is moderation. Ang ibig sabihin, good things are used intelligently and harmful things are not used at all. The goal of temperate living is peak physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Bakit maraming ingredients yung mga pagkain natin na toxic pero allowed ng regulatory agencies na gamitin? And listen to this definition. Toxicity is the degree to which a chemical substance or a particular mixture or substances can damage an organism. Ang ibig sabihin lang ito, ang pinaka-central concept ng toxicology is that yung effects ng toxicant are always dose-dependent. Halimbawa, even water can lead to water intoxication when taken into higher dose. Whereas, for even a very toxic substance, such as snake venom, there is a dose below which there is no detectable toxic effect. In simple words, everything in excess is poison. Kaya may tinatawag na food grade. That's the fundamental basis. Ito rin ang simpleng basis ng GRAS. Ito ay acronym na ginagamit ng gobyerno to refer to substances na ginagamit as food additives but are considered to be generally recognized as safe when used in accordance with good manufacturing practice. But what if yung pagkain na may food grade content and generally recognized as safe chemical ay kakainin mo this morning, mamayang gabi, bukas ng tanghali, at sa following days? Anong mga ingredients kaya ang pwedeng mag-accumulate sa katawan mo? Kaya yung ganito na sitwasyon, yung poison or yung toxic substance may accumulate in your body. Anong mga ingredients kaya ang nasa food mo na di mo alam is killing you softly? Anong mga killer diseases ang ibibigay nito at ano ang pang-substitute, safe and natural alternatives? Gusto mo ba yung ganyang information? Let me know. Send us your email ad. We will notify you when the webinar is ready. N is natural nourishment. Your digestive organ is the root system of your body, like the root of a plant. It absorbs all the nutrients from the food that you ingest. Life and death begins in the gut. I will share to you some of the techniques for cellular healing. Gusto mo ba yon? Okay. When you flatten the intestine like paper thick ang kapal. The size of the intestine na siyang nag-aabsorb ng pagkain mo is the same size of a tennis court. 78 feet by 36 feet. Ibig sabihin, 2,808 square feet. At ganyan ang absorptive capacity of your intestine. When you destroy or harm the gut, absorption is compromised. What I will explain comprehensively sa masterclass is about how to feed the cells first. You have to feed the cell first and later feed your cravings. What the body absorbs is liquefied food, kaya dapat you masticate your food well. The body doesn't recognize your solid food. In masterclass, I will answer the common question, how juicing will feed the cell to hasten the recovery, rebuild, and repair of the body. But if juicing or blending is not possible, herbal plants is one of the best alternative. Plant-based food can be used to treat diseases and enhance general health and well-being. Ito ay base sa napakaraming pag-aaral. Ang ipinapakita ko sa iyo ay local study. Marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian. Yung herbal powder form can be mixed with your food, soups, or snacks. You can make herbal teas and herbal capsule supplements. Mamaya ituturo ko yan sa inyo. Sa lahat ng interested, tutulungan ko kayo gumawa ng sarili nyong herbal capsule supplement. Let me know kung sino ang interested. Get in touch with us through the links we just provided you at email especially. Ako ay may pinakamagandang offer para sa first na mag-reply. Ang optimism ay laging seeing a lot of good things in worst situation. Base sa mga scientific studies, ang optimists live longer and have higher quality of life. Malaki rin ang kinalaman at kahalagahan sa body's ability to defend against diseases, triggered as well as promoted ng iba't ibang mga causative na panggagalingan, no? And yung pagsusupplement ng natural and pagtingin sa mga sitwasyon na positive will promote healing to prevent disease to take over. Optimism and positivity ay nakakatulong ng malaki even sa heart function at heart health. The difference between pessimist and optimist ay ito. A pessimist is one that makes difficulties out of opportunities. An optimist makes opportunities out of difficulties. Sa palagay mo, ikaw ba ay optimist o baka di mo alam na ikaw pala ay pessimist person? Tandaan mo, mas madaling maging healthy ang optimist kaysa sa pessimist. Napakaraming dumating na livelihood opportunities dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic. Tingnan mo ang mga information na ito. The COVID crisis ay nagpabilis ng paggamit ng digital system para sa customer interaction by several years. Sa Asia Pacific, napabilis ng 4 years. Sa Europe ay 3 years. Ganon din sa North American region. Sa buong mundo, napabilis ng 3 years ang digitization ng mga industries. Dahil sa COVID, ganito kalaki ang kinikita ng mga companies na ito every minute in US dollar. Ang Amazon, 837,000 plus. Every minute ang kinikita in dollars yan. Ang Apple, 691 plus thousand, no? In thousand, in dollar. Ang Google, 426,000 plus. Ang Microsoft, 321,000 plus. Ang FB, 201,000 plus. Ang Tesla na kumpanya ni Elon Musk, $80,000 mahigit ang kinikita every minute. Ang Netflix, 55,000 plus every minute. Totoong problems are opportunities. Gayon din naman sa mga negosyong lumago sa kabila ng pandemic sa Pilipinas at maraming industry ang nakinabang at lumaki ang kita bagamat pandemic ang naranasan natin. Anong matututunan natin? Laging tandaan natin to view change as an opportunity, not as a threat. Sa masterclass, hihimayin natin ang mga opportunities sa kalusugan despite the pandemic. Ipaalam natin ang mga interesado, no? Mag-comment kayo para malaman ko kung sino. Send us your email. Sa webinar na ito, I'll teach you the healing wonders of water. You will learn the secret bakit alkaline water ay makakatulong to heal the human body through electron donation that energizes the bioelectrics of the body. Explain ko ito ng mas marami at mas malalim. Ang katawan ay designed alkaline, subalit ang kanyang function are acidifying due to the waste products of normal cellular function. Ang free radicals ay produced because of this. Alkaline water has extra hydroxyl ion or negative charge that acts as antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals. Gusto kong ipaliwanag ito ng mas detalyado. Water can be alkaline or acidic. Ang pH 7 means neutral. pH below 7 means acidifying. At ito ay electron stealer. Ang pH 0 ang pinaka-acidic. Above 7 is alkaline. The most alkaline is pH 14. Ang alkaline ay electron donor status. In many scientific research, alkaline water supplies more life-giving properties needed by your cells para to promote young, healthy, energized, and detoxified cells. Lingid sa alam ng marami, ang pH ay sukat ng voltage sa isang liquid solution or water. Pwedeng sukatin ang voltage of a water with a sophisticated voltmeter. By convention, if the water is an electron donor, one puts a minus sign in front of the voltage. Subalit kung ang water ay electron stealer, one puts a positive, a plus sign in front of the voltage. Ang ibig sabihin ng aking binanggit, water may be an electron donor or an electron stealer. Halimbawa, if your pH voltmeter measures minus 200 millivolts, it means that the water is an electron donor with 200 millivolts of donating power. Matapos mong masukat ang voltage of the water, pwede nang i-convert using a logarithmic scale called pH. Ito ang paraan ng pH meter para masukat ang pH. A voltage of plus 400 millivolt is the same as pH of 0. Ang voltage of minus 400 millivolt is the same as a pH of 14. A water that is neither an electron donor nor an electron stealer is called a pH of 7 neutral. Ang pH na 0, 7, 14 ay katumbas ng plus positive millivolts, 0 millivolts, at minus 400 millivolts. Sa ganitong pagkaunawa, makikita natin that a pH of 7.365 mula sa venous blood is the same as voltage of minus 20 millivolts. A pH of 7.45 ng arterial blood ay katumbas ng voltage of minus 25 millivolts. Kaya mababasa natin sa mga cellular biology textbook that cells are designed to run between 7.365 of pH or katumbas ng minus 20 millivolts and pH of 4.5 or minus 25 millivolts of electron donor status. Para dagdagan pa ang iyong narinig, ang acid na electron stealer can cause damage. Ang pH ay between pH of 0 to 6.9. Ito ay free radical status at nasa positive pole. Ito ay nagiging sanhi ng cellular destruction at sa atomic level, it spins left. Ang alkaline na electron donor ay makakatulong sa iyong mga cells for better performance. Ang pH ay 7.1 hanggang pH of 14. Ito ay antioxidant at nasa negative pole. Ito ay constructive o nakakatulong sa katawan. At sa atomic level, it spins right. You will hear statements like, all disease occurs when you are acidic. Ang ibig sabihin lang is that all diseases occurs when your voltage is low or in an electron stellar state. Yung phrase na naririnig natin at title ng isang book, Alkalize or Die. Ang ibig sabihin that you must have electron available to do the work or your cells will die. Ang free radical is a molecule that is always missing an electron kasi. Ito ay katulad ng isang mandrugas looking for someone's purse and money to steal. When a free radical steals electrons from the cell, it damages the cell at cascading ang effect. An antioxidant is a molecule capable of giving away electron. Thus, when your mother says, eat your vegetable, she is saying that the vegetables contain electrons that are good for you. We maintain our health and heal primarily by making new cells. To make new cells, ang kailangan ng katawan ay voltage of minus 50 millivolts. Paano ito makakamit? Pag-aaralan natin yan sa ating masterclass. Ano ba ang mga benepisyo ng pinag-aralan natin, lalo pa ng alkaline water? Ito yung mga simple na madalas na nating napapakinggan. Una, it restores pH balance in the body and increases energy levels. It is extra hydrating than other water and it can help reduce signs of aging. At marami pang life-saving health benefits ang alkaline water na malalaman mo sa webinar tungkol dito. Let me know kung gusto mo ng ganitong information. Send your message or comment sa ating pong mga ganitong materials. So, pupunta na tayo ngayon sa success through worship. Success is governed by law of attraction. Of course, it is always based on God's plan to your life and His word. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added to you. Hindi ito typical na health and lifestyle education dahil sa webinar na ito. I always explain that taking care of your health is a form of connection, a bond between you as a creation masterpiece of the Creator of life. What you do to your body is a form of respect and bring glory, honor, and praise to the Almighty One, which is the source of life. Kung hindi mo ma-apply ang simpleng idea na ito and abuse your body, which is a form of disrespect to the Creator, the natural law takes effect as the great equalizer and judge, and you will end up maybe sick, or worst, it triggers the biological mechanism that may end your life. Ano ang itananim? Siyang aanihin natin. Kung gusto mo pang makapakinig ng ganitong information, let us know. Earlier, nagsabi ako, yung magstay until the end will have a gift. And the last 10 minutes, I will explain how you can make your own herbal capsule supplements. Nabanggit ko na sa NutraCapser, makakagawa ka ng 350 to 450 capsules per hour. Pwedeng iba-iba at combination of herbs. Pwede kong ituro yun. Dahil marami kang magagawa, pwede mo nang i-share sa iba yung herbal capsule supplements mo. Pwede mong dalhin anytime, anywhere, dahil kasing laki lang ang NutraCapser ng small tumbler. You can bring NutraCapser sa vacation mo Sa province, di ba maraming halamang gamot na pwede mong patuyuin sa province? Walang battery or electricity needed para makagawa ka. At kung araw-araw mong gagamitin, just imagine how many herbal capsule supplements you can make. ganito mo gagamitin ang herbal maker na NutraCapser. Watch this video. Ganito ang paggamit ng NutraCapser. Ilagay ang guide sa C-close position ng stainless cup. Hindi bababa ang powder sa ganitong setting. Buksan mo at lagyan ng herbal powder. Pwede mong pagsamahin ng 2 hanggang 3 klase ng herbal powders. Takpan at paikutin ang steering knob upang maghalo ang mga powders. Buksan ang lagayan para sa mga empty capsule. Ilagay ang mas mahabang bahagi ng empty capsules o body at muling idugtong ang naghiwalay na bahagi ng NutraCapser. Ilagay ang guide sa O-open position ng stainless cup. Bababa ang powder sa ganitong setting. Ikutin ang steering knob, itaktak o palu-paluin ang gilid ng NutraCapser upang mas madaling mapuno ang mga empty capsules ng herbal powder. Ibalik sa C position ang guide. Buksan muli ang lagayan ng capsule. Kalugin ng NutraCapser upang bumaba ang labis na powder sa receiver. Kunin sa capsule station ang mga nalagyang mga capsules. Takpan ang bawat capsules, idiin ang bawat takip, tanggalin ang bawat kapsula. May herbal capsule supplements ka na. Kung gusto mong malaman kung ano ang mga health benefits ng iba't ibang mga Philippine herbs at paano ka makagagawa ng mga herbal capsules nito para sa iyo at sa mga loved ones mo, click the link below para matulungan ka namin. Makakatipid ka sa herbal capsule supplements mo for a healthy lifestyle. Dahil sa NutraCapser, makakatipid ka. I'll give you amazing offer. Only available for those who attended today's masterclass. You can have the free tutorial on how to combine herbs. Baka gusto mo ring malaman how to dry and powderize yung mga herbal plant na nariyan sa iyong paligid at nariyan sa inyong bahay para makagawa ka ng iba't ibang herbal capsule supplements. Ibibigay ko sa iyo lahat ng ito free when you make your order early this week. Alam mo ba na 8 sa bawat 10 Pilipino ang mahilig sa herbal plants? At ayon sa pag-aaral, alam mo ba na napakarami nating herbal plant dito sa Pilipinas na napag-aralan na ng mga eksperto? 1,500 are found in the Philippines at ang herbal medicine identified herbal plants with safety and scientific studies ay mahigit 13,000. Many of the leading causes of mortality and morbidity in the Philippines are controllable with nature-based products, either as agent of intervention or prevention, or as nutritional supplements, or for the control of side effects of medication. Napakayaman natin sa herbal plants. Tingnan mo itong informations na ito. Ang Pilipinas ay tahanan ng 70 to 80% of the world's plant and animal species. Siya ay panlima in the number of plant species. Gayun din, it maintains 5% of the world's flora, mga halaman. And 1,500 plant species have medicinal value. Because of the raw materials are everywhere, napakayaman natin sa mga raw materials, dapat mura lang ang herbal medicine and supplements sa Pilipinas, di ba? Para marami ang maka-afford at marami ang makinabang. Ito ang madalas na nakikita nating problema. So, as an inventor, gumawa ko ng solusyon. Of course, hindi lahat may gusto nito. Pero kung gusto mo ng healthy lifestyle by taking herbal capsule supplements, makinig kang mabuti. Kung ano ang health mo and your family, iyon ang kayamanan mo. Kung ikaw ay may iniinom na herbal supplements, yung family mo wala. Dahil yun lang ang kaya ng budget. Pag nagkasakit sila, hindi ba damay ka sa problema? Ubus din yung natipid mo, di ba? Kaya mo bang matulog ng mahimbing? Kung ikaw ay gumagastos para maging healthy, yung family mo, asawa mo, anak mo, mga magulang mo, wala man lang panlaban na iniinom. Dahil nga ikaw ang breadwinner. Pwede namang ignore everything that I said. And tingnan natin sa bandang huli. Sigurado you will remember me. Sa tagal ko, as a natural healthcare practitioner, nakakita ko na ang ending of the story 1,000 times. Pero isipin mo ito, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na gumawa ng sarili mong herbal capsule supplements, kung anong kailangan mo at ang gastos mo ay mahigit piso-piso lang, makakatulong ba ako sa iyo at sa iyong family? Sa NutraCapsir, makakatipid ka. Ngayon, mura at simple na ang maging healthy. May offer ako sa iyo dahil tinapos mo ang masterclass na ito. Makagagawa ka ng mahigit 1,000 herbal capsule supplements. At kung interested ka talaga, message ka nga ng ngayon na and send to the link na ipa-flash ko. Somebody from our office will reply to give you further instruction. Dahil dyan, bibigyan ka pa ng 400 empty capsules free. Ngayon lang to sa may comment or message na ngayon na. At ito ay open for affiliate marketing. Comment or message, income please, para alam namin ang padadalhan ng business opportunities, mga info, at invitation. Kung other payment gateway, just message us. Now, this is a flash sale. Special offer of 400 empty cups free and one-on-one video orientation tutorial how to make your own herbal capsule supplements and many other herbal powders na pwede kay tatay, kay nanay, kay kuya, kay ate, kay tito, kay tita, kay office mate, kay kapitbahay, sa barkada, kay BFF. Boost your immune system. Fight the killer diseases. It's for you and for your loved ones. Dahil mura lang ang mabuhay sa wellness. Dahil sa NutraCapsir, makakatipid ka. Bless you all.